Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. Today I'm going to talk about a movie that I watched on Amazon Prime called Chola, which is a Malayalam film. And when I watched the movie, my mind was blown. I had to literally read about the real meaning of what actually happened in those 2 hours. So the movie stars Nimisha Sajayan, Joju George, and Akhil Viswanath. This is actually my first movie that I watched of Akhil Vishwanath. Joju George, I have watched quite a few of his movies. Irata is something that gave me like a whole perspective about how amazing he is. Nimisha is someone I like and I have spoken about her multiple times on my channel. So this movie is basically about a boy and a girl, Nimisha and Akhil, who are in love with each other and they live in a really small village, and Jojo George is Akhil's boss. So Nimisha and Akhil want to have like a day out and they lie at home that they're going to college and whatever, and they go for like a really long drive and Jojo George takes them. Now Jojo George is not really a good man. He's like there with them and Nimisha is like really uncomfortable around him and she doesn't really like him that much and everything. On their way back, Akhil gets a phone call that his mother has come to know and the entire village has come to know that this boy and girl have gone out. Now, obviously, it's a village, so their mentality is like if the boy and girl have gone out of town for a drive, that means they've obviously done adult things. It's a very shameful thing in the village, and it's not good for them, and it's not a nice thing. And when they're gonna come back, Nimisha is gonna be beaten up by her parents, and the entire village is gonna look at her badly. So she's very scared. So then Jojo George is like, you know what? It's already night right now. Let's do one thing. Let's check into this hotel. Let's spend the night over there and tomorrow we'll see what we have to do. Nimisha is like, no way I'm doing this. I want to go home. I'm going to catch a bus. I don't care. I'm not living in a hotel room with this man. But Akhil's like, it's my boss and what he's saying is correct. Let's do it. Nimisha is like, no way I'm doing that. And Jojo George anyway forces them and takes them to this shady hotel where there's no water. It's like an extremely shady hotel, and he tells Akhil, go get food for me. While Akhil is like, fine, Jojo George tells Nimisha, go for a shower, and he rapes her. And yeah, he rapes her. And Akhil's just like, what the hell? And now Nimisha's irritated and she's crying and she's sad. And Akhil's also like irritated. And Jojo George is like, he doesn't care. His character was so cold. The movie is this till now. Now the real movie starts is when they are on their way back to the village. Nimisha is really crying and she wants to kill herself because imagine her state of mind at that point. So she just like hops off the jeep and she's like, forget it, I'm gonna die, I'll commit suicide, I don't even want to live. And Jojo George also runs behind her, Akhil also runs behind her, and suddenly whatever Jojo George does, Nimisha does. Like if Jojo George is going left, Nimisha also goes left. She's not giving attention to Akhil. She doesn't care about Akhil. Akhil is trying to talk to her. She's just shouting. Like she hates Akhil. Like it's like Akhil is the one who raped her. And whatever Jojo's saying, she's doing. She's not doing it wholeheartedly, but she's doing. At first, I was like, is she hypnotized? Then when I watched the movie more, I was like, oh wait, maybe she has Stockholm syndrome, which is basically you fall in love with the person who tortures you or like is your abuser. And I was like, does she have that? And for the longest time, till the end, I was like, she has Stockholm syndrome. She's in love with Jojo George. And Akhil is trying to rescue Nimisha, but Nimisha hates Akhil. And Jojo George rapes her again in a waterfall. And Akhil sees that. And Akhil is raging with anger. So he basically makes a plan to kill Jojo George, which he does. And he comes to Nimisha and he's like, I've killed Jojo. And she's irritated about it. And she's like, why would you do that? And she goes and she cries for Jojo George. The movie is a slow burn. It's a masterclass of storytelling. Because you know what? When I read about the film, I was under the impression that it is Stockholm Syndrome. There was a review or like a comment which really caught my eye, which said that Nimisha knew that if he has raped her and they go back to the village, then the villagers are going to make them marry because the person who rapes a woman is forced to be her husband. So she's just trying to accept the fact that he's my future husband and I'm going to live with him forever. And that's why she is struggling in that zone. The movie is brilliantly written. It has so many layers. It has great cinematography. In the middle, I thought that some scenes could be cut because at some point I was like, okay, you know what, get to the point a bit faster. I want to know what's happening because I was obviously intrigued by it. But I didn't really know how to feel while watching the film. It was kind of disturbing. Nimisha has acted so well. She's playing a schoolgirl and she's so good. It's a master class of acting by the three of them. Akhil in front of Jojo George and Nimisha has done a great job. He was also really nice. I would like to watch more of his work as well. It's a film which is not for everybody for sure, but it's a very interesting take on a lot of things that happens in rural areas, and I highly recommend it. It's called Chola. It's a Malayalam film on Amazon Prime, and thank you so much for watching my video.